In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and develop your sound on the trumpet. For all instruments to make a sound, something has to vibrate. On string instruments, you pluck or bow a string. With the clarinet or saxophone, you blow air against a reed and that vibrates. And of course, you make percussion instruments vibrate by hitting them. With instruments in the brass family, the vibrations are created by your lips, and the instrument itself acts as an amplifier or loudspeaker. So making a good buzz with your lips is very important. Pull your lips together tightly and blow air through them to make a buzzing sound. Then try buzzing a note on the mouthpiece. Finally, on the trumpet. If you're not sure of the position your lips should be in, try gripping a straw between your lips and make the muscles all around your mouth tight, as if you're sucking up a really thick smoothie. Now, keep your lips in this position, but blow. The clearer the buzz on your lips, the clearer the sound will be on the trumpet. If your buzz isn't so clear, the sound won't be as clear on the trumpet. Here are some things to avoid. If you ever see a cartoon of someone playing the trumpet, they're often portrayed like this. This isn't a good way to play a trumpet because you aren't using your mouth muscles very efficiently. Look what happens to my buzz when I puff my cheeks out. Try and make sure that the mouthpiece is right in the middle of your lips and that your lips are level with each other, like that. We're now going to try and alter the pitch. To play higher, you need to pull your lips in tighter and blow harder. To play lower, just relax. Finally, all the best players develop their sound by playing long notes. Get a stopwatch and see how long you can hold the note on for.